Hey boys and girls in video land, it's your go-to video guy, Lou. Green screen is not liking the screen too much, but that's okay. I'm on Zoom right now, but I'm going to share my screen to show you that our friends at mmHmm, that tool that I love, mmHmm, has another platform or tool or add-on, or whatever you may want to call it, called OOO. OOO. So you can see here I'm on screen. Let me turn off my Zoom computer so that that's not too distracting. And you can still see me and my screen here on OOH. This is from our friends at mmHmm. And I'm pretty teeny here, but I suspect I can make myself bigger. Let me change rooms here. I can do a YouTube video in the background. There's all kinds of rooms here. I can do space. Ooh, now I'm in space. Ooh. It even has sound effects. Can you hear that? How cool is that? I'm floating in space. So all kinds of different backgrounds. I can hang out with my monkey friends here in the water. At least some of the backgrounds are similar to what you'll find on mmHmm, which is cool. This is kind of cool too because you can invite people here up on the right and put them into little spots here, so that's kind of cool. So again, this is called OOO. It is a platform or tool which is part of, oh awesome, now I'm in a video game. Part of mmHmm. So it's in beta, as it says, it's a dangerously untested preview. But you can see here that you can have a little bit of fun with all of the different, now I'm actually in Coffee, okay? All the different screens, some of which have sound effects that you may be able to hear. Let's try this roaring campfire. Okay, I'm kind of disembodied here, but that's okay. So really, all kinds of wacky stuff. You've got a whiteboard here that you can do. And I would imagine that you can make yourself bigger, put yourself in a circle here, kind of like Loom. Here's where you can change the size. If I go back to not circle, and I want to make myself bigger on screen, I can do that here. And let's try some other rooms here. Again, you've got the boardroom. That's kind of boring. And space, and a train. Look at that, a subway. So the subway is going to leave the station pretty soon. Cool, huh? Just so I can spin myself around. Whoa. Okay, other effects. Pixelized, black and white, none. Not too many effects yet. You can hear the subway going there. Sounds like it could be a Japanese subway. Floating around like a DVD. Again, I can change the size here of the fade. Style, I can change this background here. So I can even change the color. So as you can see, there's quite a few animated backgrounds and quite a few movie things you can do here with this lovely...
You've had a busy day, and there are still more video meetings to go. That can be stressful. According to the Harvard Business Review, one of the most effective ways...
So yeah, you can see all the cool backgrounds they have here. And things like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Spin me So this is kind of a cool little thing here on the right hand side. So we've been playing with the backgrounds here on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you've got your microphone controls and your camera controls. You can take a snapshot. And I guess the main thing is that you could invite, copy the link and invite other people to join you on here, which would be kind of cool if you were doing panels or votings. I suspect they'll have more backgrounds soon that you can play with and mess around with. But again, you can see here that you've got polls. You can put yourself in a circle instead of in a cutout. So check it out. If you have access to it, it's at mmHmm, and then I can even put a video back here. God knows what video it'll be. Oh, any video really. So that's kind of cool. So check it out when you have a chance, and I will continue to mess around with it and let you know what all happens with this cool new software, which is part of mmHmm, and it's OOO. Ooh. I will invite someone on the next one and try it with a couple people, but for now I just wanted to show you this groovy little software platform to mess around, make your zooms a little bit more interesting, float in space, whatever you may want to do. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.